guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to make press. For making it, we need pencil and broom's front part, plier and scissors. So let's start. First fold this like this. Cut how much part we want. So we need this much part. So cut it. Gather every piece together. After that, take any silk thread. I have folded this thread part like this and tie it. After tying it with silk thread, try to use rubber band. So do it like this. Now take a pencil. After doing it, plier and tie it. So after doing it, it would look like this. And take scissors as we have folded it and done, then cut the front part. So after doing, take any roll like this and take this plastic sheet. If you have this, then only take this. If you don't have, then use this type of cover. So I am using both of them. First I am using this. Stick it through the sides. If you don't have that plastic roll, then you can use tape. Now I am using this. For this I am using a little clip and sticking it. Cover it fully with this. So after covering it, let's level up. Level up according to your shape. So I have cut it into a shape. Remember, if you are using pencil, the pencil right part should be brown. So now let's test it. So I am using watercolor for testing it. Before using, you should wet it and use. So I have wetted it. Now I am using this. So as you can see, the paint is spreading properly. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, hit the like button. Comment a challenge in the comment box. Thank you.